Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first video of this birthday week series. I am super duper excited to share this birthday week series to you guys. This is the first video of my birthday week series, and from today onwards till 26th of September I will be posting every day on this YouTube channel. Pretty damn excited about that. So yeah, and also in today's video I will be showing you this look which I am wearing today. This is my birthday makeup look. So if at all I do anything on my birthday, I will be wearing this look. So also in this video I have shared with you like a little bit of stories of my childhood. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for this look. I really hope that you guys will like this video. I am really excited to share with you guys all the things that I have planned for this birthday week. So stay tuned for it, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the whole birthday week. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So now let's start with our makeup. So as you can see, I'm wearing this pretty dress that I will be wearing on my birthday, hopefully, because I do not think so we will be doing something on my birthday. Like, I don't know, I have no idea, but that's what is in my head, that I will be wearing this dress on my birthday. And what makeup I will be doing on my birthday, that I'll show you now. I am shooting this video like 1 week prior. So today is 13th September, that is Sunday. So I'm shooting this video today and my birthday is on the next Sunday, that is today, like when the video is live, when the video will be live. So at that day my birthday is there, so a lot of confusion. So yeah, now let's start with our makeup. First things first, moisturization, really very important. So I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer Cream. This moisturizer is good, but again this is not like for me. I wanted the super light one, the other variant in this, but yeah, I tried this one. This moisturizer is not bad at all. It's like good, pretty good, but my skin is really very dry, so I need something more hydrating than this. It like mattifies your skin to some extent, and so it becomes like very nice base for your makeup. I like to apply this moisturizer before makeup. According to me, like this will be really good option for oily skin people, because you know they need something which is light and also will moisturize their face and will not feel heavy on the face. So I think so this will be really very good option for oily skin type people. Don't mind my nails, like किया था मैंने, मतलब मैंने in sense one of my neighbors did this to me, but it was looking really very nice, like it was looking, but this is the reason I don't like nail paints, you know, because they chip off, then you know पूरा mood ही चला जाता है. This thing will come is lip balm. This is Nivea Original Care lip balm. I really like this. Next thing is like I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. Let's talk something. Like I have done like many videos on my channel where I do only makeup, and yeah, I explain about makeup obviously. So and now till if you follow me like for pretty good time, then you must be knowing all the products that I will be using. So I think so let's talk something else today. What should we talk? So I will tell you some of my stories, you can say. I don't remember a lot of stories, but I do remember some. Like when I got hurt, like I was like a pretty quiet child when I was young, but I don't know how I used to get hurt every time. Like I don't know why and I don't know how, but that was the thing. Before moving to the story, the next thing I will be applying is I'm using the next products I will be using is the Maybelline foundation, and I will be mixing that with Maybelline New York Master Strobing Cream in the shade pink. what happened was, when I was small, at that time, I don't know what was the situation, but when there was Diwali, like first day of Diwali, when we wake up early and all of that, so during that time I used to always get hurt, like continuously for 3 years, I think so, 2 to 3 years I used to always get hurt, and that too like major wala, not like small thing. The first year, I think so, that year what happened, that when वो रहता है ना फुलबाजी, that we call it फुलबाजी, so yeah, I don't know what we call that in Hindi or English, or you know, मैंने उल्टा पकड़ लिया and my hand was like full burnt, and all the mess happened. Then it was like we went to doctor and it was okay after some time. The next year what happened was, हमारा बेल है, हमारा डोर बेल, सो डोर बेल का हमारा, so some work was going on. I woke up in the morning, like सुबह दिवाली के दिन तो सुबह जल्दी उठते वैसे I woke up, and then I went out, like I went to my neighbors to play, but she was not available, like she went out or something of that sort. So I came back home, and when I came back home, so all the wires of the doorbell were like khula hua, and I didn't know what was happening, so I rang the bell and I was stuck there like I was stuck on that bell, and I was like I was screaming, like, you know, help and all of it. I was screaming because I was stuck, and I still have that nishan, you can say. I still have that mark over here, so I was stuck there. And the thing happened after that was like really very major, because पूरा बिल्डिंग का लाइट चला गया था, because all the electricity was concentrated here. So पूरा बिल्डिंग का लाइट like gone, and I was screaming like mad. And my mom and dad was at home, but what they thought was I was having a fight with someone. Sometimes it used to happen, like I used to fight with my neighbors and all, like in a fun way. So my mom and dad thought that I was fighting with someone, and then my voice like was increasing, so they came out and they saw this. So my dad, he took my hand and he just pulled me off, and yeah, my hand was like, I had like black hole kind of a thing here, and I was crying like hell. So after that, like dressing kiya and all of that happened. After that it was all good actually, but yeah, that is the major thing that happened with me when I was small. And after that my dad was like, I'm not leaving you anywhere you have to sit home. And I sat home for like I sat home for like 3 to 4 years after that, because I used to get hurt every time on the same day every year. So yeah, that was after that I was big and I used to take care of myself, like पता होता था कि क्या हो रहा है and all of that. So after that I started going out, but yeah, all of these things happened with me. The next thing I will be using is Color Bar loose powder in the shade Beige Classic. So this has flashback, like when I put this powder and I click the photo, like flash होगा तो वो सब powder लगा हुआ दिखता है, you know what I mean. So it has that, but other than that I feel this powder is pretty fine. So now let's get to the eyes. So while I'm doing my eyes, I will be not talking much because that is the part you have to concentrate. So yeah, let's jump on to our brows now. Okay, so now let's jump to our eyeshadows. So today I'll be doing like soft brownie kind of a look. Like I'll show you, like I have not decided like what I have to do, but yeah, I will try building upon this palette, so let's see how it happens. So I am using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. So yeah, really very beautiful palette for all the beginners out there. Highly I recommend this to you guys. My friends gifted me this. I wanted this from a very long time and they gifted me this. So now let's start with this color right here, brownish sort of a color. Taking this brush, will be taking like this brown shade, a little bit of brown dark shade. We'll be tapping this all over my lids, like leaving the inner corner part. I will be tapping this all over my lids. We will be taking this shimmer color. We will be placing that towards the lid. And we'll be taking the same orange brown that I took first. So for the lower lash line, I will be taking this darkest red color. And with the same brush, I will be taking this orange.
Why I am calling this color orange? This is a brown color, girl.
I will be using this Sugar palette, like Contour the Pose mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. So this was also gifted to me पिछले साल on my birthday, so by one of my friends. So yeah. I will be applying is blush, which is Colorbar blush in the shade Rosy Peach. So this blush has super pigment, so we have to be aware while applying this blush. I am hooked onto one YouTube channel, like obsessively. Like I do watch her videos like every day before sleeping. So that obsessive I have become for her channel, and she is Nikki Tutorials. So yeah, I have been loving her channel, and I am that sort of a girl who likes to watch challenges and all, and she is full of challenges, like full of challenges. So I have been loving her channel lately a lot. The next step comes is the setting spray. So you must be saying, where is the highlighter? So this is what I have been doing like from past 1 or 2 weeks, that I have been applying my setting spray first and then I apply my highlighter, and then you can see that glow, that how highlighter works well, like on another level after doing that. So I do that, so I will be doing that now. I am using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, really very good, in the shade Blossom Glow. Can you see that? Like, can you just see that? Talking about which, I yesterday saw one video on Nikki Tutorials channel. In that she had I don't remember her name, but she had makeup artist of Rihanna, and she did a technique which looked like super good. So what she did was, she applied the highlighter here, like on the cheekbones. Then she took the brush towards the brow bone, and then she came here like, and she did like, she blended the highlighter here and then again here. As you can see, it looks like one all together. So yeah, this is how my makeup look turned out to be. It looks quite interesting, like it looks very subtle, at the same time it looks very nice. I liked it. Yeah, I'm quite excited for the whole day. Like, I have no idea what I will be doing the whole day, but I will be vlogging on my birthday too, so let's see how that goes, and I will be posting that video obviously. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So we will meet tomorrow for the next video of my birthday week series, so stay tuned for it. If you like this video, you know the drill, like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe because there are a lot of fun videos coming on the way, not only related to makeup but also related to so many other things like challenges, and a lot of things are coming on this channel, so stay tuned for that. So do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.
We dancing, we dancing, we dancing,